Hi, today we are going to talk about type of machine learnings. So we have four types of machine learning available. First one is supervised learning. Supervised learning is nothing but providing a data which has labels with them, like this is apple, this is orange, this is apple again, then orange. So we feed the data which will have a labeled associated with the data itself. So when machine learning algorithm sees lot of data, various type of shapes of apple, various types of oranges with different features and shapes, it will be able to recognize when in real time the actual data it sees, okay, this is an image of apple. So here we provide the data which is labeled first, so that when it sees ample amount of data, lot of data, then it will recognize the features of that particular data, so that based on the features it will be able to identify, okay, this is an image. When we present the actual data during testing phase or during real-time application, then we don't need to provide the label. So it will be able to identify, okay, these are the features which are similar to the shape of apple, then this picture would be of apple. So same way it will be able to recognize the images, it can be anything. So in supervised learning we provide the data which will be the labeled along with the data set. In unsupervised learning, this is on the other side, we don't provide any labeled data. So it will be a scattered data, so which will not be labeled. But what machine learning algorithm has to do, it will read and it will isolate based on the properties of that data, so that it can understand, okay, these are the two similar things which are looking something similar, so I need to categorize it differently. So the images of tomato, it will identify, okay, these are the shapes which two shapes are looking similar, so it would be of the same product. So in that way, unsupervised learning, we don't provide any label, but we provide just the data. Algorithm, machine learning algorithm will itself identify the logic or the reasoning behind that based on the properties, and then it will categorize those data. And coming back to the semi-supervised learning, which is a partial type of supervised plus unsupervised data. What that means is it will be a data which would be partially labeled and partially unlabeled. So it's a mix of both. And transfer learning is nothing but when deep learning algorithm learns the finding from one particular data, then it applies that particular learning to another set of data. So basically it is transferring its learning to some other data set. So it is a kind of learning and evolving the algorithms. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.